Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in summer Russia, at Zheleznodorozhnaya Ulitsa Podolsk, Moscow Oblast. It's a beautiful summer day here, with a calm atmosphere, fresh air, and scenic surroundings. You can really experience the peaceful side of Russia during the summer season.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. happiness. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Driving through this area, you can see the local streets, daily life, and the unique charm of Podolsk near Moscow. Every corner has its own simple but beautiful view. Hope you enjoyed this video and the summer vibes from Russia. Thank you so much for watching. This is Taijo, signing off. See you in the next video.